dark. Oh, yeah, much better. All right, let's get going here. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the Trailer Hood. I've been keeping myself busy around here painting the inside of this place, just trying to brighten things up. About halfway done, and once I finish with the painting, then I'm going to go ahead and throw down some new floors in here as well. But anyways, I'm super excited because today in the RV, we're making crab cakes. And this is pretty much everything that you need to do it. I'm making like crab cake burgers, so I got buns and lettuce and tomato and stuff like that as well. But primarily, this is everything. I'll list all the ingredients and quantities down in the description. Other than that, all right, let's go. Dun 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 dun. It's done. That was simple. I made myself a little crab cake burger here. I got some store-bought macaroni salad. You see here. Yeah. Look at that thing. That's beautiful. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, me big likey. Yeah, that's freaking fantastic. Dang. You know what? That's my first time making crab cake. And that might be better than any crab cake I've gotten at any restaurant down here in Southwest Florida. That's really good. Alright, well, I guess we're done here. Thanks for swinging through the trailer hood. Thanks for making some RV crab cakes with me. I had a good time with you guys tonight. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, take care.